Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the mic adapter for the GoPro. Now if you own a GoPro you'll know only too well that the audio is, well, what should we say, pretty rubbish. It's really bad. I'll do some comparisons later, but this is needed to fit an external mic, and it's a real rip-off. It comes up around nearly £50 or $50, and you know they've got the market sealed on this because there's nothing else you can use apart from this if you want to use an external mic. There's nothing much on the packaging, it's very basic. Yeah, let's take a look inside and take a look at it. Yeah, well, nothing in there. Minimal packaging. What's that? Lifetime warranty. Well, that may come in useful. And here's the adapter. Again, no instructions whatsoever. You're just supposed to guess. Yeah, it's quite a bulky item, really. I mean, once it's plugged into your camera, you've either got it hanging down or, I suppose, stuck on the top somehow. But, like I say, if you want to use an external mic, this is what you're going to need. It's got a USB-C connector there and a mic in socket there. Now I have done some research on this, and I do know that this is not just a box connecting with wires from the USB-C to the USB-C. Inside here is quite a complicated circuitry. I will put up some pictures of the inside so you can see just what's going on in there. So now we have this, we're going to need an external microphone to plug into it, and it just so happens, yeah, I've got one of these. This is called the Edutige ETM001. It's got some good reviews, this has. It's supposed to be a very good microphone. Let's have a look at what it says on the packaging. Yeah, high sensitivity, 23 decibels. Omnidirectional. Okay, let's get this out of the box and take a look. Yeah, pretty much just a few little lines of instructions there, but nothing much. What have we got? So we've got the microphone here, a little protection on the plug. As you can see, it's very small and compact. I mean, what is it? A couple of centimetres, if that. It isn't even that, is it? This comes with something else. Oh yeah, a little foam out of shape wind protector. Yeah, that's going to rip. But yeah, that just plugs into there. So it's quite small, isn't it? It doesn't take up much space at all. I am going to get a right angle adapter, although it isn't supposed to need to be facing because it's omnidirectional. So we'll see how it goes, but I will get a right angle adapter to plug it into that way. But you've got all this now, you've got all this hanging down from your GoPro. It's not very pretty, is it? You know, it's big, it's clunky. It's not ideal. But all is not lost. All is not lost now, because yes, we have something else. And this is the Ulanzi V2, a vlogging case for GoPro, compatible with GoPro Hero 5, 6 and 7 black. I think these are relatively new and a good idea. See how it all keeps it compact. It's all one. Let's get this open. What have we got in here? Let's have a look. Ooh, some bits and pieces in here, look. We've got some stickers. We've got some stickers. Ulanzi stickers. A small brand focusing on phonography. That's a new word on me. What does that say? UU rig? I'm not sure. Camera vlog accessories. It says like a little welcome, thank you. Thank you for buying us. Okay, let's have a look at this one. And there it is. It's very light, but it feels very sturdy. Feels very sturdy. Now this has got a door on the back, which if you just press there, it'll slide sideways like that. Which is better than the foldy uppy down ones, isn't it? But the plastic is actually very thick in comparison to the GoPro frame. It's got the space here to put the mic adapter in. Also got the holes obviously to turn it on, record, and your cables, and space for the screen at the front. So this, better just take that mic out. This just slots in there. It actually fits in there very nice. It's nice, tight. It's not going to come out. It's a nice comfy fit, should say. And the mic, just plug in there like that. This just slides across, and there's a little clip there, which just locks it into place. So that's a lot tidier, isn't it? And this, you don't want to plug these in because it's just too much. There's too much tension of it. Apparently, you have to spin it round and plug it in that way. Oops. Sort of loop it round, and it puts less pressure on your camera then. I'll put that in a minute to get it all together. But that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Keeps it all nice and tidy. And there's a shoe on the top here which removes. Both the same size. And apparently it's to raise, if you have a microphone plugged in here, it keeps it out of up a little higher than the viewfinder, so it's not in view. Apparently, I'm not 100% sure on that one. That's so I've read. But I do like that now. If I didn't have to pay stupid money for this thing. Let's get the camera put in, see what it looks like when it's all together. Shouldn't be too bad actually, that should be quite nice. Right, there we have it. I have to say, it looks pretty tidy, doesn't it? It does. So anyway, we've also got the Ulanzi mini tripod here, which I bought. So we've got Ulanzi GoPro case and the Ulanzi extending mini tripod. But that, to be honest, is quite tidy. You can get to everything, and see how I curled the cable round. It does fit a lot better, and it's all nice and tight, nothing's rattling about. And you can charge the camera while it's all together like this by using this USB-C plug in here. It will charge the camera, so you haven't got to take it all apart either. I wonder if you could have an external power supply to that. That's something to think about. But yeah, that's quite tidy, isn't it? Pleased with that, even if it has cost a lot. Well, cost a lot. It's cost more than it should do, because you really shouldn't be having to buy this. Shouldn't have to buy this. Anyway, that's the Edutige 001 mic with the Ulanzi case and the overpriced GoPro mic adapter. This is a test of the GoPro built-in microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check. This is a test of the Edutige 001 standard mic setting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check. This is a test of the Edutige 001 standard mic plus settings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.